Okay. So I warmed up both her kneecaps and I cooled them both down as well. Smashed them and I held them in place for a couple seconds. And then that's it. So, dude, her leg's cold. It's ice cold. So that's the leg that was messed up that wouldn't bend right there. Bam. So I'm not gonna be messing with her too much, but there we go. No problem. Nice. So yeah, should hold up. There you go. And she didn't put up too much of a fight. Well, she did actually. And who says cats don't like to take baths, huh? Oh, snap, what was that? Oh, okay. Sting, gotta be careful. Maybe I should go warm that up. Come on, Larry. You're killing me, Larry. Is it go in? Oh, yeah, that's his redonkulonkus. I'm gonna go heat this up, guys. But yeah, she's good. Her knees are good. And right now, her neck was like... It was like this. I was like, what the? So, I don't want to stress out her neck. So I'm gonna go heat up her neck. So that thing will be nice and pliable. And then pop that in. This thing's hard, it won't go in there. It's too crazy. Yeah, at all. Alright. But that's it. She's been fully repaired. She's good.